Good morning, everyone. It's Lonnie. It's Monday morning. My hair is probably a mess. I haven't even looked at it. That's how bad it probably is. So you'll notice the room here is a strange shade of green. And this is not the green that it will be. This is the most green they could tint the primer with, the kills with. So this is intermediate. Tonight I will paint the room with the real color, which is right down here. That's the real color we're going to be using. So anyways, it's time to pull orders, and yeah, let's go ahead and get started. We've got quite a mix of stuff to pick out today. Like crazy mix, which is kind of standard. First thing up is I sold some more of these little Dungeons and Dragons lead figures from the 80s. It's actually been a long time since I sold one. I was just thinking about that the other day. Man, it hasn't, it's been a long time since I sold one, but here we go. Here we are. And look, this kind of thing, do I even care, right? Like, I've sold like 20 something of these already. Look at the amount of space it takes up. It's nothing for a lot of good little sales. And man, you don't get much easier to ship than this. I do ship these in a box because the lead, if I did put it in like a bubble mailer, the lead is really soft. So that's HH, and then I just need NN, and I'll be in business. I just did these like I just went through the alphabet. There's NN here. And here's one of the guys right there. It's a little lead guy. I went through the alphabet, and then when I got to the end of it, I started over using double A's, and I think I did A1 through Z1 or something. So I had like 50 something of them to start. But yeah, these three guys went out for $9.99 a piece. Plus the shipping was, I don't know, the lowest, the 4-ounce rate of shipping for all three. All right, so when I bought these things, I wasn't sure how well I was going to do on them. Right this second, I'm not even sure where they are. They're in a Nike box thing. Oh, here we go. They're up here. All right. Yeah, these guys. Another nice small item. It takes up very little room. Well, guess what? These little Eversharp razors, I'm getting $9.99 plus shipping for each one. I actually sold 2 of them over the weekend to 2 different buyers. So that's awesome. This is a little box of gold right here. I'm digging it. Okay, this is a good sale here. It's been a long time coming. I've had them priced way up for this pair of shoes. These are some Heinrich Dinkelackers. They're made in Hungary, Budapest, Hungary. I got them at Goodwill for $3.99, and I sold them. I took an offer. Real high-end shoes here. Took an offer of $100. I think yesterday. I had them priced at like $250 or something crazy. Like these shoes, brand new, were like $500-600 or maybe more. I think the next thing is down here somewhere. It's some track pieces. Ah, here they are. Glad to get rid of these. I actually bought these at a yard sale last year. I think they were $1 a piece. I think somewhere in there. I thought they were going to do well. There's some kind of track pieces for some specific car thing. Say they have all kind of different pieces or whatever back there. Looks like for some kind of slot car set, but these are like borders or something like that. Anyway, I took $11.49 for both of them plus shipping. I'm really just glad to get rid of them. Sold a handgun cleaning kit for $38, $357 9mm. This one right here will work. by Clean Bore. I got $17.99 plus shipping for that. All right, we made a sale from the old toolbox here. I think I showed y'all this the other day. Pair of Lyman's pliers by Irwin, $33.99 plus shipping on top. Okay, I listed some Batman stuff the other day. I still got a lot more Batman stuff to list, but I sold a wallet. Let's do that one, or this one. I think it might be this one. I think I need to look, double check. I got two. Yeah, it's the one with the graphics on it. So yeah, I got a $14.99 plus shipping for this. It's a good little sale. I've got a lot of Batman stuff that I still need to list, like a box full of it. Okay, next up is a pack of 007 cards, a set from some movie. What is this? Live and Let Die or something? I don't know what it is. But anyway, got $4.49 plus shipping on top for these. Those are going to Australia, direct mail to Australia, not GSP. Okay, I went ahead and pulled these guys. These are some things I've had for close to 2 years. So, glad to get rid of them. These two guys are gone, and then I sold this Spider-Man 2 card, real action cell card. It's got like scenes from the movie there and the little film thing. Anyway, all three of those, it took three things to come up to $11.47. Next up is this autograph card from this guy that nobody's probably ever heard of, except for the person that bought the card, Alex Diakon from Outer Limits. I think that's a newer TV show. But anyway, autograph card, $6.24 plus shipping on top. Okay, we got to go up top for this one, y'all. Woo, way up here. This is... Oh, I might have to just take it down. Here it is, second one I flipped to. Sold this DVD, not DVD, a laser disc for Real Genius, 20 bucks plus $19.99 plus shipping on top. So these are selling pretty well. Got a pretty good many left, but I've also sold through a bunch. Sold 3 of these Speed Racer cars by Johnny Lightning. $18.97 total is what I got for these. I think that's what it was. Let me double check this. Yeah, $18.97 plus shipping on top for these 3 guys. Okay, I have a couple of Star Wars figs going out. This is a Luke and an R2-D2. Aren't you glad these two are staying together? Yeah, that's correct. I got $29.98 for the pair plus shipping on top. So that's like a $30 sale right there. And then I sold this Stormtrooper. Look, these figs I have, they're all pretty rough. This Stormtrooper I got, sorry, pulling it up here, $9.49 plus shipping on top for this guy. So these are going to take a while to sell, but another thing that doesn't take up much space, just a little bitty box, holds like 40 something of them. Okay, do y'all see this guy right here? This is a Batman made by Play Arts. I can't remember the version, some kind of special version, but this was in the haul I got from my guy, my source. Have a bin full of them. There's a bunch of them over there on these shelves right here. And I have some stands and stuff out over here. I'm kind of making a mess of it. But these are some pretty high-end things here. This guy I'm asking $160 our best offer for. And I think, you know, I'll probably end up having to take a little less. But nevertheless, it's going to be some great money. I knew I had some valuable figures. I didn't know how good. So apparently these might be a little better than I was expecting. Oh, I got one more thing to show y'all. So this is the latest sign that I've gotten for the shed. This sucker is heavy. It's porcelain on metal. And I mean, this is a legit sign, guys. Look at the subject matter. BMX jump ahead. Beware 30-foot drop off. Beautiful sign. It's yellow on black. My buddy John, the Cincinnati Picker, showed it to me the other day. He said, check out these cool signs. He had a couple of neat signs, and I saw this one. I was like, dude, I gotta have it. And he gave me the friend discount, we'll say. He gave me a really good deal on it. So man, I really appreciate that. That is a sweet sign. Like, that would be hard to find this sign again. And this is not like some kind of repop or something like that. This is a legit sign for sure. So badass. I love it. Okay, I think we're gonna make it a pretty short video today. What did I list? Okay, so yesterday I told y'all I was gonna list at least one thing, and guess what? I didn't. I had a goose egg. 0 for 0. I'll blame the painting. Today I did a lot of shipping. Wait, I can't see it. Today I did a lot of shipping, but I still managed to get, because I came upon some good stuff, I still did 6 items for $375, which is killer. Honestly, this, you know, there's a couple things I'll probably take best offer on ultimately, so you know, it'll probably end up being more like 6 for $330 or whatever, but I write what I list it for. So 6 for $375. That's a really good day. I'm gonna go grab some chow, relax, and then I'm gonna come back out here later tonight and paint her up. And at that point, in the next day or two, I'll be able to put all my light covers on for one thing, or electric, you know, the little covers for the electrical outlets and the switch plates and all that stuff, and I'll be able to fill this wall with signs. Really excited about that. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'll see y'all again tomorrow, of course. Take care. Bye-bye.